Welcome to my channel, Learn with Teacher Ali. Hello children, our topic for today is about reading. And then after that, we are going to answer some questions that are related to our topic. If you are ready, let's get started. Drolly Molly. Drolly Molly was the dirtiest dog on the street. He had a chubby body, a short tail, and grubby little paws. All of the other animals on the street laughed at him because of the mess he made. Everywhere he walked, he left a pot of droll. It hung from his mouth and went all the way to the ground. People would sleep and slide on his droll and shout out, "Drolly Molly." He would laugh at them and run off to play in the dirt. He was a mess. Children, it's your turn to read. It's question time! What did Drolly Molly look like? A. He had a slim body, a long tail, and clean paws. B. He had a chubby body, a short tail, and grubby little paws. C. He had a fluffy coat, long ears, and shiny eyes. The answer is B. He had a chubby body, a short tail, and grubby little paws. What did the other animals think of him? A. They admired him for being clean and tidy. B. They were scared of him because he barked loudly. Or C. They laughed at him because of the mess he made. The correct answer is letter C. They laughed at him because of the mess he made. What happened to people who walk fast? A. They sleep and slid on his droll and shouted, "Drolly moly." B. They pet him and gave him treats. C. They ignored him and kept walking. The answer is letter A. They slipped and slid on his droll and shouted, "Drolly moly." Percy's magic shoes. Percy's grandfather gave him a new pair of shoes for his 10th birthday. He smiled as he gave them to Percy, as if he knew something. "Good luck," his grandfather whispered. Percy had no idea what that meant, but he put them on and ran outside. As soon as he stepped outside, the shoes lifted him into the air. Percy was floating off the ground. He went higher and higher and could control where he went. It was as if he was a superhero. He looked down at his house and saw his grandfather smiling and waving at him. Percy grinned and flew off. Children, it's your turn to read. It's question time! What did Percy's grandfather give him for his 10th birthday? A. A bicycle. B. A new pair of shoes. C. A magic wand. The answer is B. A new pair of shoes. What happened when Percy stepped outside wearing the new shoes? A. He started floating off the ground. B. The shoes glowed brightly. C. He grew taller. The correct answer is letter A. He started floating off the ground. How did Percy feel after discovering the shoes power? A. Confused. B. Angry. C. Grinning and happy. The correct answer is C. Grinning and happy. The cheeky mouse. A cheeky mouse lived under a house. The lady living in the house despised mice and wanted to get rid of them all. She put mouse traps everywhere. But the mouse under the house was wise. Every day, he would feed toy mice and put them in the traps. He knew the lady had poor eyesight and would be tricked. The little cheeky mouse was so proud of himself for fooling the old lady. He went about his daily business, eating all the food he could find. Snap one a trap. The poor mouse had not fooled the lady after all. Children, it's your turn to read. It's question time! Where did the cheeky mouse live? A. In a garden. B. Under a house. C. In a tree. The answer is B. Under a house. How did the mouse trick the lady? A. By stealing the cheese without touching the traps. B. By hiding all the traps. Or C. By putting fake toy mice in the traps. The answer is C. By putting fake toy mice in the traps. What happened to the mouse at the end of the story? A. He got caught in a trap. B. He continued to fool the lady. Or C. He ran away from the house. The correct answer is A. He got caught in the trap. Good job, everyone! Thank you for watching! Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for you to be updated on our latest videos. See you on our next lesson. Goodbye!